We could go further if we started looking at things like taking apart this and looking at these armrest bases. If you look at the armrest pads, if you took one of these apart, underneath here, there's actually a metal or a steel piece that the padding and the vinyl is formed around. Typically, the reproduction ones are made out of a plastic. Some of the really cheap door panels, if you get reproduction, these headers that are underneath here on the factory ones are metal, and the really, really cheap ones are plastic. You know, obviously these are original door panels. So anyway, some really cool stuff I thought you guys would enjoy on 1970 Survivor parts. Again, obviously this is a resto mod. We're going to go to buckets in this car. We're going to freshen up the carpet. We're going to do some of that kind of stuff. But just some cool Easter eggs of stuff that is still left from the days when this was a Survivor car. And maybe we'll do some more of this kind of stuff.